How to add payment method on Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, and then what you want to do is just click on settings here, and then click on payments. After clicking on payments, just click on add payment method. Then if you want to add a payment method one by one, just click here and search for any payment method here. It will show here. And then if you want to add multiple payment methods, just click on search by provider, and you'll see all of the payment methods that you can add. So for example, I choose this. Click here again. Just click on install. Then just click on install again, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.